Another day, another Samsung A series cell phone on my desk. So let's heat up a little bit and remove the back glass. As actually it's not the back glass, it's a plastic bag, so you can easily remove it. It's not a big deal, and no need to worry about the break. It won't break until you fold much. So this is a Samsung A32 5G. So let's remove the SIM tray, and you can put the memory card in that phone also. It has a slot. So let's take out the back from the body, and yeah, on the corners is it's easy. It has no connector on the back glass, so you can feel free disconnect the screen connector. This is a charging port which contains a couple of wires down there. In this model, this is a one connector which is coming directly from the screen, and one is down. So this model is 5G. There are a couple of A32 model. So this one is a 5G, which is a little bigger and supporting the 5G network. And this is the earpiece, and it has a little thick connector. So let's put the alcohol to the battery. So let's do the other stuff while it's melting the glue. So let's put this motherboard and the charging port back, and make sure this blue wire will go down, and on the top is the white one, sorry. And this is a battery is easy. So let's put the battery on the new screen, and let's connect to the main screen connector, which is a display, or this is the battery connector. Let's put the plastic back on the back side and make sure its touch is working before close. Yeah, it's working. So here's the plastic bag. It's very easy to install now. So if you like that video, please thumbs up, share with your friend, and like and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video.